Hey party people, so we're working on Dean's 1971 Ford Torino.
Woohoo, it's been a while.
We have purchased these shocks 7 years ago and we are finally installing them.
Yes.
So before we put them in, a little school lesson here. This is what an old shock is.
Looking like?
This is a new shock.
Let's see the comparison.
So, they both compress. And when you release them, yeah, that is the difference right there.
How come that old one isn't decompressing?
Because it's old and busted.
Ah, you mean
Old and busted, new hotness.
Ah.
Old and busted, new hotness. That's a movie reference.
So you mean I could have done this 7 years ago and would have been way happier with the ride?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Well, 2020 is going to be a good year.